What is going on? Welcome to episode number 5, the 5th and final one of our trip in Italy. Let me show you guys firstly what we've been up to and where we're at now. The past 5 days in Italy, we've seen Verona, Lake Garda and Venice. We've shown you tips on shooting product videos, tips on movements, and it's been quite the adventure. And the crazy thing is, we're just getting started. So for this episode, I'm going to be going through some basic but very effective tips for you to do before you start reaching out and getting those clients. As always, I will leave our total spendings and earnings on the screen now and then again at the end of the video. As you can probably see, the rain is starting to come down on our last day. We're all packed up and it might be a bit of a shorter episode today, as to be honest with you, it's a travel day. We're going to be getting back to the airport, getting back home, which is already delayed by 4 hours, which is not ideal, but we're here, we're in Venice. Let me show you around.
Let the sun rise, because I want you to stay and just rest your head over my shoulders and let it all.
Wherever we go away, we always get a little magnet. We haven't been to that,
Yeah, well that's...
Although, I prefer this one. What were you just saying?
I was just saying, it's funny how it's 2 years in and this is our first coffee together. We've never both had sat down and had a coffee together.
Mine looks weird as hell. Yeah, our first coffee together.
Yeah.
What the bleeding hell is going on? Well, this weather absolutely sucks. What's annoying is we've got a few shots left to get for our product shoots before we head back. But as you can see, I don't think we're going to be able to do them. Okay, I want a reel of the waffle towel. So, hello doggy. So you're, another doggy. So you're going to put the towel on that bridge, just over there. And you're going to move out of the scene, and then you're going to walk up on the bridge, pick it up, and then walk off.
Okay.
Good? Cool, that's good.
Look, I think that's way better already.
Okay, yeah, that's alright. Here's my tips for self-branding. Make sure you have a show reel. Select the best shots from all your work into a separate video that you can then use to send to clients. Make sure you have your social media game on. It's competitive, so look out for trends, for posts, and be sure to have your work on there. Have a professional email address with a signature, and be professional with how you send them. Logos aren't totally needed, but it helps to stand out with your branding, so you may want to look into that. Make sure you know exactly what you're offering people before you get started with them. Remember, your image and reputation is so important. This is the final shot of all our client work here in Italy. I'm just going to get one final shot to finish off the video, and then we are packing up and we are going to the airport. Well, that's our third and final stop done in Italy. The time has absolutely flown by. Well, that was until we got hit by a 4-hour delay. We are officially the last flight of the day. Going into tomorrow morning, I think we're going to land at like 3 AM or 2 AM or so.